This is the cutest thing I've ever seen a cat do. This cat's ears snapped to the sound of this tiny toy doorbell. Who rang my bell? I don't know who's out there, but I'm scared. So our tiny visitor is over here waving at the door, and the cat just kind of looks at it like, what the heck? And then the doorbell rings again, and the cat just goes wild. It's like, who rang my bell? Who rang my bell? The cat then proceeds to sit by the door and guard it and just stare at it like a little statue. And it's so cute. It really is. Another safe delivery. ToonPaws Patrol. Which visitor would your cat chase? Comment below.